how to play COD Mobile with an Xbox controller. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Call of Duty Mobile using your Xbox controller. It's super easy to set up and makes the gameplay way more fun, especially if you're not a fan of touch controls. So let's jump right into it. First, grab your phone and head over to Settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You'll see a list of devices already connected and other nearby devices waiting to pair. Now grab your Xbox controller and press the sync button on top. That's the small round one near the USB port. Hold it down until the Xbox logo starts flashing. That means it's in pairing mode. Look back at your phone, you should now see Xbox Wireless Controller under Available Devices. Tap on it, and when the pop-up shows up, just hit pair. Once it's connected, you'll see it move up into your paired devices list. Now that your controller's ready, go ahead and open Call of Duty Mobile. Once you're on the main screen, tap on Settings icon in the top right. Here, scroll to the Control tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the full button layout and have the option to tweak your controls however you like. You can also adjust sensitivity settings for multiplayer, battle royale, and more. Once you're happy with your setup, hop into a game and start playing with your Xbox controller. It makes aiming, moving, and reacting way smoother than on-screen buttons. Just try not to get eliminated too quickly, unlike me right here. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.